Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. Today we are going to do a grammar topic, that is passé récent. Recent, in English it's recent past. The actions which have been done in the just now we have done it. So basically passé récent is used to express events or an action which has taken place a few seconds or minutes ago. Okay. In English is translated as the action which has just happened. Okay, when we say I just had my dinner, I just returned from the school. So when we translate in English, when we're translating as a just something action that is happened just now, few minutes ago, that is passé récent in French. Okay. So how we form the passé récent? First we take conjugation, subject, then conjugation of venir in the present tense. So for passé récent, one must know the conjugation of venir. It is one of the foremost thing in the present tense. Then de or d apostrophe. De with the if a verb is in a starting with consonant, then we take de. If verb is starting with the vowel, we have to take d apostrophe. Plus the infinitive of the main verb. Main verb, the verb which we are making the passé récent, of which we are making the passé récent. Okay. And infinitive of main verb means that the verb has to be in the unconjugated or infinitive form. The verb, we will not conjugate the main verb. We will just conjugate the venir. Okay. Let's see the example. Over here we are taking the verb finir. So our main verb is finir. So we are not going to conjugate the finir verb. We will take it into infinitive form. This is the infinitive form. Finir means to finish. Now if we want to make it into passé récent, what we have to do? We will first take the subject. So we will write the subjects. Then over here we are writing the subject pronouns. Then the conjugation of venir according each of the subject pronoun. So venir conjugation is vient, 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 venant, venez, vient. Okay. Il takes vient, il takes vient. Then since finir as the starting with the consonant, so we are taking de. So we are writing de. Then infinitive of the main verb, so we are writing the verb as it is. We are not conjugating finir. We are making the passé récent of finir, but we are not conjugating the verb finir. We are taking into infinitive form. So what finir becomes? Je viens de finir, tu viens de finir, elle vient de finir, nous venons de finir, vous venez de finir, elle vient de finir. So what is the meaning over here? I just finished. So it becomes just finish. Okay. So the translation will become just finish. I just finished my homework. I just finished my food. Okay. Like this. I hope it's clear. Now let's take another example. Arriver. Arriver, to arrive. Now arriver is starting with the vowel. Okay. So we have seen the preposition d over there. De was there. De or d apostrophe was there. So in the finir we use de like this. Over here we are using d apostrophe because the vowel is there. So the conjugation, again we take the subject, then we write the venir conjugation, then d apostrophe with the and arriver in the infinitive form, unconjugated form. So it becomes je viens d'arriver, tu viens d'arriver, elle vient d'arriver, nous venons d'arriver, vous venez d'arriver, elle vient d'arriver. What is the translation? Je I just arrived. Okay, so it becomes like this. The English translation will include just, something that has happened few minutes or few seconds ago. Let's see some sentences. Now let's see some examples in the sentence form. Over here, je viens d'arriver il y a 5 minutes. I just arrived 5 minutes ago. Now, whenever there is il y a and some minutes are there written, quelques minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like this, we like this written at the end of the sentence, then we come to know that there is passé récent in the sentence. This don't get confused that il y a in the beginning is there, then it's there is or there are. But when it's like this, il y a 5 minutes, the end of the sentence, it means 5 minutes ago. This means ago. Okay, just remember it. If a sentence is having like this, then this is an indicator that the sentences have the verb is in the passé récent form. Okay, remember it. Je viens d'arriver il y a 5 minutes. I just arrived 5 minutes ago. Il vient de finir le repas. He just finished the food or meal. Nous venons de partir il y a 10 minutes. We just left 10 minutes ago. Okay? Remember it. Remember the indicators. Now, you can see we have taken the conjugation of venir over here, and the verbs are in infinitive form. So whenever in a bracket in the fill in the blanks form, suppose you get whatever verb you are getting, you will write the verb in the infinitive form. What you have to do, you have to write the conjugation of venir according to the subject, then place the or the apostrophe according to the verb if it's starting with consonant or vowel, and then the verb that has been given in the bracket, of which you have to make a passé récent. I hope it's clear to you how to make passé récent of a verb. Okay, that's all for today. Bonne journée. Merci.